is the topic is resultant force. Now in the case of resultant force, we already know that what is force. Force is a push or pull. In the case of force, we have the topic name as resultant force. Now what is resultant force? We solve it by taking an example. If we have the table, if three persons applied force, the force is different, means the first person apply force F1, the second person apply force F2, and third person apply force F3. These three forces are in same direction. If these forces are in same direction, it means we have to add the forces. Okay, same direction means we have to add the forces. If one person apply force in this direction, other apply force in this direction, so the direction is opposite, or it means that we have to subtract the forces, means the direction is opposite, so we have to subtract the forces. If we consider an example, this first person applying force 50 newton, second apply 30 newton, and third apply 20 newton. Okay, 50, 30 and 20. Then these forces are in same direction. Then what will be the resultant force? It is 50, 30 and 20. Addition is 100 newton. So total force applied on this table is 100 newton. Okay, in second case, if this person applied force 8 newton and this person applied force 2 newton, okay, so direction is opposite, so we have to subtract it. So 8 minus 5, 2 is 6 newton. So net force on this table is 6 newton. Okay, and if the two forces are same, means this is 20 newton and this is 20 newton, so net force is 0. So this is all about the resultant force. In the third case, or you can say the last case, here F1 and F2 are in same direction, so we are going to add it, and F3 is in opposite direction, so we are subtracting it. So also we know that the force has magnitude as well as direction. Magnitude we are finding by the addition and subtraction. What about the direction? The direction is of that force which is higher, means if 8 newton is more and 2 newton is less, so direction is the direction of 8 newton. If this is in right side, so direction is, the net force is along right side. Okay, also if we consider the case of tug of war, two players of first team and second team applied force in opposite direction. If first case they are applying force of same, if this is applied 100 newton and these are applied 100 newton, so net force is 0. If these are applied 200 newton and these are applied 400 newton, so net force is 200, and this net force is toward right, means these team will win. So these are the topic of related to force, the resultant force.